This is the Genesis Electrified GV70. As part of a comprehensive driver assistance system, the Genesis Electrified GV70 is equipped with Lane Keep Assist and Lane Following Assist features. The Lane Keep Assist system is designed to help detect lane markings to warn the driver if the vehicle unintentionally steers out of the lane. When the vehicle departs the lane without its turn signals on, the system will automatically assist the driver's steering to help them get back to the lane. Note that the Lane Keep Assist function relies on the front view camera, so it is important to make sure there aren't any decals or debris covering this area. To enable this feature, press Setup, then Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Lane Safety. If Assist is selected, the system will automatically assist the driver's steering when lane departure is detected. If Warning Only is selected, the system will alert the driver with an audible warning and the steering wheel will vibrate. The automatic steering assist will not function. If Off is selected, the Lane Keep Assist feature will not be active. The warning alert volume can be adjusted by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Warning Volume. Alternatively, this can also be accessed by selecting Sound, and then Driver Assistance. The volume can be set to high, medium, low, and off. Once the Lane Keep Assist has been set up, you can turn it on and off simply by pressing and holding down the Lane Driving Assist button located on the right side of the steering wheel. While using this feature, the green indicator light and the lane should illuminate when the vehicle is starting to depart the lane. Additionally, an audible warning tone and steering wheel vibration will occur. The Lane Following Assist feature is designed to help the driver keep the vehicle centered in the lane by detecting lane markings and other surrounding vehicles. Once the Lane Following Assist function has been set up, you can turn it on and off simply by pressing the Lane Driving Assist button located on the right side of the steering wheel. When the Lane Assist indicator is green, it shows that it is in operating state. When the Lane Assist indicator is gray, it means that it's on standby. When the indicator light is blinking white, it means that the system has disengaged due to such factors as driver input, road detection, and more. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.